What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to do a little bit of catch up on some of the things we did this summer. Namely on this video, we're going to show a little kind of a first person view of a trip we took to the Barber Motorsports Park back in June to the Barber Small Bore Fest. If you've been following along with the channel this summer, you know I've been quite busy. A lot of that's been projects. We finished a couple, took on a couple new ones, and went on a few road trips. I had to write all this down because I couldn't remember it all, but I kind of wanted to let you guys know where I've been this summer, and I've got a playlist on the channel that has videos for pretty much all of this. Back in May, we took a trip up to Indiana. We visited 3 different fellows up there. All of them are on YouTube as well. First stop we made was with Eric Jensen. We picked up a whole bunch of first gen ATC 70 stuff, and his YouTube channel is Olds Jetfire. I'll drop a link in the description for that, as well as all the other ones that I'm going to call out here. After that, we stopped over at Mike Warner's, also in Indiana, did a shop tour, and also did a barn find video on a CT70. That's Mini Bike Mike's Garage YouTube channel. And then after that, we went and visited Brian York, also in Indiana, Yorkie Moto Garage on YouTube. We did a shop tour and helped him do some assembly work on a K0 CT70H that he's restoring. And then after that was June. We did the Barber Small Bore Fest, which is what you're going to see here in just a minute. And then here this month, earlier this month, we took a trip all the way up to upstate New York to visit Preston Frazier, This Old Trike on YouTube. He held a second annual vintage ATC ATV show at his home. And I believe he had nearly 300 people show up for that. It was about a 2.5-day event. Really, really good time there. So just kind of wanted to let you know what we've been up to. So this video you're about to watch, this is more of a kind of a first person view of what myself and my dad actually went with me as well. Kind of what we saw for the day. A lot of us, just us riding around looking at things. There are a couple spots where we do stop by and see some things up close. We also stopped by Terry Hunter out of Georgia. He had a tent there with all of his work that he's been building. He's a really, really talented small bore Honda builder. So go ahead, grab you something to drink and enjoy the video.
looks like it was rough.
This is going to be the show winner right here, the gray one.
I hope so. I can use that money. You're okay.
This is going to be second place or first? hope you enjoyed that. We're going to keep this short. Like I said, make sure you check out that playlist on the channel. You can kind of see all the things we've done this summer. And we've got our Honda Cub candidate up here on the operating table. And I got to get back to work on this, guys. So thanks for watching.